Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your first week of December reading. Start from the 1st through the 7th of December 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Scorpio. Let's see what is coming up for you guys for this week time. I will be adding charms, I will be pulling out oracle cards as well, so stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. And yeah, you can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's dive into the reading and let's find out what is coming for Scorpions for this week time starting today. Let's begin. Six of Swords, the Fool. Wow, finally going towards calmer water in your life, going towards happy phase of your life, leaving anything and everything that was bothering you. I feel like, for some of you, you are getting rid of some sort of responsibility as well. Whatever it was that was keeping you busy, you are getting rid of that. Whatever it was that was consuming you badly, it's gonna get over. um, for some of you, might be traveling as well. You might be traveling with your spouse, with your person, with your specific someone. It doesn't have to be travel. Maybe you are just from a bad phase, you are entering into a new phase with the specific one that you have been committed to. Maybe you also have a kid with that person, or maybe they have kids with somebody else and you are going with them. So whatever the case is, I feel like you are now on a new journey with a specific someone. Maybe they have kids, or maybe you have a kid, or responsibility of a kid in your life as well. But yes, you are very happy, excited, as you know that whatever journey you have taken now, it's gonna take you towards a free spirited life. It's like, even though you are going with the person, and you do have some sort of responsibility along with that one person, but that responsibility is like a dream come true for you. It's something that's not burdening. It's not something that bogs you down. It's not something that makes you upset. It's something that you are willing to take on. To take on. You are willing to go for it. You are excited to take on to this new, responsibility of your life. So I feel like, this is something that you have been waiting for. This is something that you have been working towards as well. So I feel like, you are excited, as you know that something good is now happening in your life because of you took on to this new journey with this one specific someone. Let's see more cards here. Ooh, this person is your soulmate. This person is your wife or husband. Wow. I do see you traveling with this person in your future, if not now. And this person is going to be the father or mother of your kids as well. Even though maybe they already have one person that they are taking care of, it doesn't have to be their own kid. Maybe they are, but it's not going to be the case for everyone out there. But yes, I do see a kid as well in this picture. But whatever the case is, this person is going to be definitely your husband or wife, whoever it is that you're dealing with. The Hermit, Six of Cups, one last card, Nine of Pentacles. Let's see more cards here. Five of Wands, Strength, Ten of Pentacles, the Chariot. I feel like, whatever I just said, it's your plan with this specific someone. It's not happening this week time, but yes, you are so sure that this is what you are seeking for. This is what you are wishing for with this one person. This person is going to be your husband or wife. This person is going to be the one that you are going to travel with. This person is going to be the one that you are going to leave your independence for, because this person is somebody who is making you crave for this, one responsibility, one relationship that you never felt the need to have with anybody else. You are ready to give in your freedom. You are ready to give in anything and everything that you were enjoying first, and now you really want to have a committed relationship with this one person in your life. It's like, that kind of energy you are looking forward. to have a new beginning with this one person. This person is definitely going to be your husband or wife, and this person is your soulmate. And I don't think that this person is somebody that you don't know about. This person is somebody that you are already either with or you know already for sure. Yes, this person is somebody that you already know. There is strong love that you have for this person, but at the same time, maybe there are certain delays in this plan that you are having with this one person, but you know that you have to do this. You know that you want to do this. And I do see you taking actions towards, this one plan that you are making right now with this, one person in your mind. And you are going to take this person along with you, putting an end to anything and everything that was keeping you apart from this one person. This is something that you know that you have to do now. It seems like you are now understanding that your love and connection that you have with this person. It's like I feel like the only thing that is blocking you right now is the work that you're doing. And as soon as you get done with this work, you are going to be taking this opportunity of getting married to this person and then taking them along with you. And I do see you traveling away from wherever you are living. So it's more like a plan that you are making during this whole week with the specific someone. Their love, their importance in your life is going to grow like anything this week time. Whoever it is that you are dealing with, you are planning your future with that one person in your mind. You might not be expressing it already to them, but yes, this is your plan. It's once the Scorpios plan, they are planning it for the lifetime. Like if they didn't plan it earlier, they never had it earlier. Now they are making this plan. They are going to stick to this plan until and unless this becomes their new reality. So yeah, let's take one card from this deck. Guardian of emotion. This card has been showing up for many signs. This situation requires emotional maturity and total trust. You are surrounded by those who have only the best intentions, so you can rely on the advice you are given. Challenges will be resolved. This card indicates a generous, humanitarian, and refined person whom you can completely depend on. This could be a reference to these characteristics within yourself as well. So it can be your energy, it can be the energy of the person that you are dealing with. But yes, this plan has been made and now you're going to pursue this plan. You are going to act on this plan. Let's see the oracle card now and then we're going to add charms. Act as if your partner is here, whether you have someone in your life or not. Act as if they are with you, so you will always consider them. I feel like this is the time when you have decided here that this is your person. For some of you, you could be age 37 or 30 plus, or maybe it's going to be the age of your person as well. Now, what I feel is you have already made them your life partner here, which was never your thing. And now, like I said, it's all like you have made the plan, you are going to materialize it no matter what. So let's take one more oracle here and then we're gonna take charms. Wow. Intuition. Listen to the whispers of your heart. Use divination tools to help you decide. Trust your intuition no matter what. You are being intuitively guided towards this person and the reconciliation with this person and the way this relationship has become so important to you. This is something which was intuitively guided to you by angels, divine, and everything. Like it's like divine time. Finally, you are considering a person in your life who you have been with, and you're gonna pursue them. So let's see what the charms has to add to the reading. So you do have King of Swords. That's something that how you used to take this connection earlier, and now you are changed towards them, and you know that with all your clarity, with all your heart and mind into it, you have chosen them to be your person. Me versus me, it has always been you versus you. When it comes to this connection that you had with someone that you are pursuing now, you are ready to get hitched with this one person. Kid. Okay, for some of you, you already have a kid with this person, or there is a kid that you are taking care of. KIDZ, kid Z. Okay. For some of you, maybe your person, maybe like I said, there could be one child involved in this situation. It can be your child, it can be the child of the person that you are dealing with. There that as well. Well, we do have K, I, D, Z, and Y as alphabets. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this week time. If the reading resonated with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.